Hey, I'm Clea London and you're watching Chlea. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about vitamins and dietary supplements for your skin that can make you look flawless, or at least help you. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody's perfect, nobody's completely flawless. I still have flaws on my face, but today we're going to be talking about a couple things that can help you, such as vitamins and dietary supplements. Yay! Make sure you like and subscribe. Keep on watching. We are getting started. Okay, so we're going to just jump right into it with the best vitamins that are going to be great for our skin. And the top 4 vitamins that are great for our skin is going to be vitamins A, C, D, and E. So when you're looking for products that you need to buy, you need to be looking for those specific ingredients as far as vitamins go. I'm going to say that one more time. Vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamins E. That's a little sign language for you. Anyway, so let's get into what these specific vitamins do for our skin. Okay, so let's start with vitamin A and what it does to help our skin. So the number one thing that vitamin A does is it supports the overall health of our skin. So if you're looking for a product that's just like very general, anything that has vitamin A in it, it's going to just generally do everything that you want it to do that's positive for your skin. So if you're not really good at looking for things, like reading the ingredients and stuff like that, usually what a lot of products will do is they'll put right on the front label, includes vitamin A, and it'll be like really big or something like that, along those type of lines. So vitamin A is really good, like I said, for supporting the overall health of our skin. This is also going to help repair the skin if it's damaged, things of that nature. If it's dry, crackly, things of that nature, vitamin A is going to be a really great vitamin for that. Also, it has been shown to improve the skin's elasticity and thickness. So vitamin A is where it's at. Moving on to vitamin C, which is really great for repairing the skin. So if you have damaged skin underneath it all, because there are a few layers of skin, even though we're not just talking about the layer that's on top that we all see, but there are layers of our skin that are under. Vitamin C is what is going to help repair that. So that's really, really great. It also helps fight the aging process. So if you're really trying to what is the word I'm looking for? If you're really trying to maintain your youthful looks, then vitamin C is definitely for you. Even if you're a woman or a male of a particular age and you're still just trying to fight that aging process, go for it. Vitamin C is your best friend. Also, even if you're young, I don't care if you're a teenager, it's never too early to start. Just put that vitamin C on your skin and you will see results as you grow in age, period. It also promotes the collagen in our skin to remain healthy and firm. This also goes along with aging. Like I was saying, when we do become a particular age, it starts to sag or it starts to wrinkle, and this is because underneath our skin, it's losing that firmness, it's losing that collagen, and it's not as elastic as it used to be. So vitamin C is going to help maintain this. Vitamin C also aids and accelerates the healing process of skin. So if you have damaged skin, whether it be from the sun or it's dry, maybe you went to a new location and your skin isn't really adapting to the weather that gracefully, buy a product that has vitamin C in it, and trust me, you will not be sorry. You will see a difference in your skin because it's going to help repair your skin from underneath moving forward, or moving through your skin. So now let's talk about vitamin D, which is kind of like vitamin C, but only in a way that's going to help promote healing of the skin. It's said to actually work a little bit faster and a little more rapidly than vitamin C. So if you are looking for something that's going to work more quicker than vitamin C, vitamin D is the way to go. Also, if you don't already know, vitamin D helps the skin absorb calcium and things of that nature, which is really good for our bone development and things like that. And now, last but not least, we're going to talk about vitamin E, which is a really great vitamin used to help protect our skin against the sun and its harmful UV rays. You'll see that product in a lot of sunscreens, of course, and other things of that nature that are used to help protect us from the sun. Products that have vitamin E in it are also used to help heal damaged skin. I know myself personally, I definitely will use products that have vitamin E in it, like for stretch marks or like anything like that, to help heal it so that it can become better a lot quicker than if I just used nothing at all. So vitamin E is definitely my best friend and could be yours too. So when you are in the beauty aisle looking for your next skincare item, make sure that you're looking for items that have these vitamins in there. Vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. We just went over what they all specifically help with. Remember, vitamin A is going to be your general one that if you just don't know what to do, just always go with that. It's the first letter of the alphabet. You can't mess up, okay? If you're going to go the vitamin supplement route where you're going to pop it in your mouth or whatever, make sure you read the recommended daily allowance for the pill. Don't be going crazy thinking that if you take a whole bunch extra, it's gonna magically give you these great results. That's not how you do it. Read the label. And always remember that vitamin supplements are not supposed to be a substitution for poor nutrition. Make sure that you're not using supplements to substitute for a poor diet. That's not how you do it. You know, just because you're taking your daily vitamins doesn't mean that you can just go behind that and just eat a whole bunch of stuff that's not good for you, drinking a whole bunch of soda and a whole bunch of junk food and things of that nature. That is not going to promote great skin. Always strive to improve your diet, and number one, besides these vitamins and supplements, drink water. Your skin will not be able to thank you enough if you just drink water. Like, they say that there's a recommended daily amount that you should drink, like 8 glasses of water, or you're supposed to times your weight by something. Yeah, I can't remember, but anyway, you know, they say like 8 glasses of water a day or something like that. Drink as much water as you can. It really isn't that hard. I don't know why people have such a hard time, but just do it. That's also going to help so much in promoting healthy, glowing skin. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you have any questions below, or you want to share anything with me, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know what it is. Like, I need to know what's up, just like you need to know what's up, because that's why you was watching. So thanks so much for watching China Lay. I'm Chlea London. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to me. Like this. Tell me what you don't like about it. Tell me what you do. See you later. Bye.